Here is a spoiling IsoBar power bar. I had this in the computer room. It's been in there for quite some time. And I had a cordless phone and a lamp plugged into it. The lamp worked fine, and then one day I noticed that the cordless phone lost a charge. And so I thought the phone was busted, but it turns out that this middle outlet does not make a good connection anymore. Just to demonstrate that, I'm going to go ahead and grab a light fixture that we can plug in. If we put a light bulb in there, that would be more helpful. So something's wrong there. So let's see what's going on inside this bar. These bars are like 3 outlets. It's not one of those cheap rail designs. These are actual outlets. So whatever's wrong with this, we should be able to fix it, I imagine. Doubt it's anything more than just a loose connection. It's kind of a scary failure though, because when you have a loose electrical connection like that, it can heat up. Although granted, this being in a metal housing, it's unlikely to really cause a fire if that happens. Alright, so it looks like we have to remove this circuit board in order to actually get to the outlets. How does that come out? I'm disappointed to see that these are those stupid push-in outlets. I have a particular disdain for those. Don't like them at all. I don't know what's holding that circuitry in. Well, certainly if we undo all the outlets, it should come out. Seems to be held onto the outlet somehow. Now this is a newer bar. I think the older ones were a little bit better quality. Certainly they came apart easier. How the heck? I don't understand what is holding this in place at this point. Huh. Okay. Gee, they weren't kidding when it says on the box that the housing is indestructible. I can't believe how strong that is. Well, whatever I did got it enough to come apart. Okay, so this is not what I was expecting. Not at all. How is this? How does this work? No, don't tell me that's how it is. Are you serious? Wow, that's disappointing. So the way this is working is these wires here are just sticking into the back of the outlets. No wonder it's like that. It's not making a good connection. Oh man. This is not how the old ones were made. I can feel it's particularly loose on this side, and whereas this one's pretty firm, this one's loose. I bet if I wiggle this enough, it'll just come right off. Well, it's got a good grip on one side, but not the other. Well, maybe if I just jam it on there a little bit harder. Actually, that seems to have done it. Alright, well, let's see if that fixes it. I think it will. I still think that these are the best power bars you can buy today, but this is a little bit disappointing compared to how they used to be. So I bet what happens is when I screw this in, because the outlets are secured individually, it's going to kind of pull the outlet away from that board a bit, and we might end up with the same problem. The way these outlets work is you just jam the piece of wire into these holes here, and it's got like a one-way kind of hook, if you will, that grabs the wire. And you know, it's relatively effective, but even see this? It's not going to come out, but it's a little bit loose. That to me is unsatisfactory. I much prefer the side wire outlets that hold the screw on like this. That's pretty foolproof if you do it correctly. This I don't like. Well, that's a disappointment for sure. And it looks like this board for the lights just sits there and floats there. It doesn't even get secured down in place. Man, these are not what they used to be. Not at all. push down on these areas where the connection is and hope that it's as secure as it's going to be. Definitely a bit of a disappointment though, for sure. That did fix it. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I think it fixed it. Before, with the cordless phone, if you plugged in and then let it sit, it would disconnect. Like it would only work if you're pushing down on it, or if it moved around at all, it was disconnecting like it was before. Now it seems to be okay. Yeah, it's fixed, but that's definitely disappointing to see that. The old adage is true. They don't make them like they used to. It's true for pretty much every product sold today. And for the premium price that these are still going for, makes you wonder a little bit. Yeah, it's fixed, but I don't like the way it's designed, and it definitely did not fail from frequent plugging and unplugging, because this is not one of the bars that's subject to that at all. I probably plugged that phone in 2 or 3 months ago and haven't moved it or the lamp since, and nothing else has been plugged into the bar either.